So I'm here in Mar Vista, and we are working on a really cool project here. This house recently got all these pavers done. When the pavers company was here, we've cemented some of our posts for a pedestrian gate and for the driveway gate. The driveway gate is going to be a tandem gate, which means it's built out of two panels that basically fold into each other behind a panel at the end. So this is now after a few days of tweaking, because this is not easy to do properly. This is now after a few days of tweaking. We got all our pulleys and chains in the right spot, and by the time we're done with it, we're going to place wood on it like the side of the house, and that wood on a stationary panel right here at the end will basically hide everything that goes in there. So both these panels are going to slide onto this panel. The panel will be at the behind it. So this is going to end up being really cool. Okay, so I am back here at Mar Vista, and this gate is now complete. It came out really amazing. These sectional tandem gate came out beautifully. The front pedestrian door came out really nice as well, with a keypad and a ring that the customer provided us. Also nail slot and the light. So everything really works out really nice with this house, and gave it a complete beautiful look to really complement this house, including those pavers that weren't done by us. So now I'm going to activate this gate using a remote. And here it goes. Here goes the first panel and the second one. Both are moving simultaneously. The first one is obviously moving faster because it needs to cover more ground. The second one is taking its time, but when they get to where they need to be, they both slow down and stop at the same time. I will show you a little bit of how this works. There is a little more chain work compared to a regular gate, but we've managed to really do this in a very compact way, so it's really barely there, and the distance between each gate is not very high. On the inside we have a nice style operator with an exit, with an emergency release. We will close it right now. So here they go, one after the other. Now this is not an easy installation. It's very hard to do. It's definitely hard to do it properly, and it's even more hard to do it where it's, cosmetically pleasing and as nice as it came out. So this is the inside. We've closed a little bit here, so that way it gives him more privacy. And this whole gate really completely transformed the front of this house. So here we're going to get out again and close it one last time. So again, both panels are in place, and then right now they are coming out. Beautiful project. Came out really amazing. So we are very pleased with this, and so is the owner. And I'm sure his neighbors are happy because the neighbor's house looked good, and we've already had some inquiries from close by homes to help them out with their gate issues as well. So that's it. Ron from Mulholland Security in beautiful Mar Vista, California.